फिनलैंड करने जा रहा है भारी मात्रा में डिपोर्टेशन। आने वाले 1 जून 2025 से फिनलैंड एक नया लॉ एनफोर्स करने वाला, लागू करने वाला, जिसके तहत जिन फॉरेन रेजिडेंट्स की नौकरी चली जाती है और वो अगले 3 या 6 महीने के अंदर नौकरी नहीं ढूंढ पाते और वर्क परमिट एक्सटेंड नहीं करा पाते हैं, तो उनको डिपोर्ट किया जा सकता है, उनका रेजिडेंसी परमिट कैंसिल करके। सो इस टॉपिक के ऊपर आज हम डिटेल से बात करेंगे। क्या इनकी पॉलिसीज हैं, क्या क्या इनके अंदर अमेंडमेंट करे गए हैं जिसके कारण डिपोर्टेशन हो सकती है। 3 से 6 महीने का टाइम मिलेगा एक वर्कर को अपनी नौकरी ढूंढने के लिए। फॉरेन वर्कर को डिपेंड करता है उनके वर्क परमिट के ऊपर, किस बंदे को 3 महीने मिलेंगे और किन को 6 महीने मिलेंगे। सो बने रहिए इस वीडियो के अंदर, पूरी डिटेल के अंदर मैं आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दूंगा। Starting this summer, foreign residents in Finland could face deportation if they lose their jobs and fail to find new employment within 3 or 6 months, depending on their work permit. The Ministry of Economic Affairs and Employment announced on Thursday that a new law affecting holders of work-based residence permit will come into effect on 11 June 2025. The controversial legislation will put permit holders at risk of deportation if they fail to secure new employment within a specified time frame. Starting this summer, employees in Finland holding a work-based residence permit will have 3 months to find new employment if they lose their current job. If they fail to secure a new position within that time frame and have no other valid grounds to remain in Finland, their residency permit may be cancelled. Following a considerable amount of criticism of this proposal during a consultation round, the bill now includes an exception for so-called specialists who will have 6 months to find new work. Specialists are defined as experts in highly skilled jobs that require special expertise and have a monthly salary of at least 3827 euros. Last August, the ministry held an open consultation in English to present the government's proposal and encourage public discussions. However, the feedback had no impact on the final decision, according to authorities. The hearings were on a general level and didn't particularly impact the wordings of the law. The matter is a political one, and the politicians take the final decision. Of course, the suggestions we have made their way into the material in other parts of the proposal, which expands on how this ruling will affect people. Senior Minister Advisor, Ministry of Economic Affairs and Employment, told YLA News. Tukunen also noticed that the law is in the line with an EU directive on permits for third country nationals to reside and work in the territory of a member state. The directive states that unemployment alone shall not be grounds for withdrawing a single permit, provided the total period of unemployment does not exceed 3 months during the permit's validity or 6 months if the third country national has held the permit for more than 2 years. So what are the 6 months exceptions? According to the ministry statement, the job seeking period will be extended to 6 months for certain groups. Specialists, including EU blue card holders, individuals who have lived in Finland for more than 2 years with work-based permits, middle and top-level managers, and seconded specialists and managers transferring within a company. According to the ministry, the reform will be strengthen the link between work and work-based residency permits and make the monitoring of permits more systematic. Under the current law, it is already possible to cancel a residency permit when an employment relationship ends. However, there have no regulations governing the time within which unemployment could lead to cancellation of a permit, and no systematic monitoring has taken place. Employer obliged to notify authorities. The time statements also highlighted an employer's obligation to notify the Finnish Immigration Service, which is called Migri, if the employment of a person holding a work-based residence permit in Finland ends prematurely. Employers are required to submit the notification within 14 days of the employment termination. However, notifications are not required for the end of a casual or temporary work performed alongside the main employment linked to a residency permit. According to the ministry statement, the government will also issue a decree on national labour shortage sectors in June 2025. In future, the holders of a work-based residency permit could, under the same permit, switch to another sector that have been verified as one of the Finland's designated labour shortage sectors. Until now, the holders of such a residency permit has been able to change employers within the same sector, but not switch to another sector without a new residency permit. Last August, Finland's then Minister of Employment Arto Satonen confirmed that the government will move forward with the controversial 3-month law. During the public consultation period, nearly all of the responses opposed the government's proposed 3 or 6 months deadline for foreign workers. So number of job seekers soaring, the new rule is estimated to affect 50,000 foreigners in Finland. According to the Employment Bulletin of the Development and Administrative Services Center, KEHA Center, published on Thursday, the number of unemployed job seekers increased by 37,900 from April last year. The number of new vacancies reported in April was 41,800, which are 14,300 fewer than in the April last year. According to the Labour Ministry, the KEHA Center is responsible for the unemployment services statistics from March this year. Like, subscribe and share if you find the video useful.